We put so much effort into explaining all the benefits, how it may help our client, how it may change their lives. But if you forget to explain what the actual product is, then the reader will be confused. It might be a great claim, a great outcome, but if they don't understand what it actually is, then you've lost them. Hi and welcome to this video for today. I'm Caroline. I'm a copywriter slash marketing consultant going on year 11. And in this video, I will help you make the most of your sales pages. But before we get into today's topic, I will just really quickly clarify, that was hard to say, quickly clarify what that difference is between a sales page and a landing page. So a landing page is really a broad term for all kinds of pages that your reader can land on. So it can be a sales page, but it can also be your opt-in or freebie landing page, or it can be a blog post, or really any kind of page that you direct traffic to. Whereas a sales page is a specific type of landing page. That is the page where you sell your product and try to convince your reader to buy a product or service, right? Okay, now that the definitions are out of the way, let's get into these 3 tips. So the first thing that might go wrong with your sales page is that your reader simply doesn't believe your claim. It can be that they don't believe that this claim is true at all, or maybe they don't believe that the claim will work for them. So let's take the latter first. Let's say you're a fitness coach, right? And you sell some kind of fitness challenge where they have to do something every day. They may think that, yes, this challenge will work and whip me into shape, but it won't work for me because I don't have either a basic fitness level that is required to participate in the challenge, or maybe I just don't have the time to set up 30 minutes a day or whatever the time frame is. The trick here is that you use case examples of former clients that have these same challenges, so that your reader will read it and see, oh, okay, this person also hadn't had a very good fitness to start, or they didn't have a lot of time, whatever that obstacle may be. You address it by using case examples of people who have been successful with you, who had the same challenges. The other reason they may not believe you is if the claim seems too good to be true. So, for example, I did a video where I said that for every $1 you spend on email marketing, you get $42 in return. That seems like it's a little too good to be true, which is why I provided a source for the statistics that back this up. So if you have a claim that is true, but actually seems like it is a little hard to believe, then make sure that you use examples and back it up with evidence, not necessarily scientific evidence if that's not something that applies to your industry, but just statistics, examples, stuff like that, right? The second reason that your sales page may not be converting optimally is just traffic issues. The traffic could be lacking or it could be cold. By cold traffic, I mean traffic where the readers haven't been properly warmed up first. So they need to have been exposed to your sales message a little bit before they see your final sales message. That way it will be more effective. It's like you need a little bit of persuasion before you make that final sale. So you can do this, warm them up with an email campaign, or you can post on social media, like little pictures and create that excitement, of what's coming up, this product. So they start to get convinced in their minds that, yes, this product is for me. So when they finally do see your sales page, they will have already been convinced that this product is something that they do actually want to invest in. They say on average it takes 7 impressions before that the client is ready to buy. But this is kind of depending on what kind of product you sell. So if your product is inexpensive, if it's like less than $10, you probably won't need to send them a message 7 times. But the higher the investment, the more you need to warm them up before they're ready to buy. So really put in effort into not just your sales page, but to all the stuff leading up to what they see on the sales page, meaning email campaigns, social media, stuff like that. If the issue is lack of traffic altogether, meaning no one sees your sales page, of course, it doesn't matter how great your sales message is, because if no one sees it, no one's going to buy. So make sure you put effort into directing traffic towards your sales page. And you can do this again with email campaigns, social media. You can even have collaborations with influencers in your industry that has sort of a hold on the same target audience you're trying to reach, not necessarily direct competitors, but someone who has an overlap. So if you're selling nutrition products, it could be like a fitness coach, right? Something like that. The third reason why someone might not be buying from your sales page is super obvious once you hear it, but it's a very common mistake. So don't feel bad if you've made this. I've made this too. It's especially common among solopreneurs, and that is forgetting to explain what your service or product does. We put so much effort into explaining all the benefits, how it may help our client, how it may change their lives, whatever the offer is. But if you forget to explain what the actual product is, then the reader will be confused. It might be a great claim, a great outcome, but if they don't understand what it actually is, then you've lost them. Of course, we understand our product, so we can tend to forget that new readers who aren't familiar with us, they may not know at all what it is we're selling. And so we have to explain that. Don't use your entire sales page to explain it, but just like make sure that it's clear what it actually is. And if you're not sure, then show your sales page to someone who doesn't know what you do at all. It could be a friend or a stranger, and just have them read it and ask them, do you understand what this product or service actually is? And if they can't describe it clearly, then you know you have some work to do. I really hope you got value from this video, because that's what the whole point of making them is. So if you want to make sure you don't miss out on my upcoming videos with more tips like these, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon where you get notifications when I release new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.